Intensive practice 4.4, question 1. Mr. Ramasamy keeps 1000 ringgit in a bank. The amount of money rises by this much after t years. Okay. A. Calculate the amount of money after 5 years. So t is 5. We sub this into the equation. 1000, 1.09 power 5. We get 1,538 ringgit and 62 cents. So after 5 years, his money has grown into 1,500 ringgit. Right, let's look at B. Time taken for the money to rise from 1,000 to 1,200. So now our total money is 1,200. We need to find the time. So we need to make t the subject, right? So don't make a common mistake that most students make. You can't multiply these two. Since this one has a power, you can't multiply this first. So this, we bring it over this side. Since this is related by times, when we bring here becomes divide. Right. Now 1200 divided 1000 will be 1.2 t. So to make t the subject, we can multiply the whole thing by log 10. So log 10 1.2 is log 10 1.09 t. Why we multiply by log 10? So that we can bring the t down. Okay, you can multiply with log 10 or ln also can. So log 1.2 is t log 1.09. Right. To make t the subject, we bring this one over here, it becomes divide. So log 1.2 divide by log 1.09. We get 2.1156 years. So after this many years, 1000 ringgit would have grown into 1200 ringgit. Done.